Today I am reading the medicine Belladonna from the Soul of Remedy, book written by Dr. Rajan Shankaran. Belladonna is the plant remedy of the acute miasm. The main feeling of belladonna person is of sudden threat from outside, from which he has to escape in order to survive. The suddenness is one of the main characteristics of the belladonna. Everything comes in a paroxysm with a suddenness and goes with the equal suddenness. But while it lasts, there seems to be a very intense and life-threatening situation. The person is beside himself and want to escape. Also, there is a certain degree of balance in his sensation and action. Belladonna can be quite cheerful. In fact, he can be dancing, laughing, singing, and can have generally light-hearted feeling and exuberance. But when the attack comes, he becomes crazy with fear and anxiety, with excitement, with throbbing of carotids, palpitation of the heart, and feeling of imminent danger and threat. One of the belladonna patients that I had disappeared from the treatment suddenly, and after the months, suddenly calls me up from some part of the world, and then disappear for a month again. For belladonna, Dr. Emil Segal said, pointed to the rubric that unconsciousness interpreted by the screaming. His interpretation is that the belladonna patient remain unconscious of his problem and they come up suddenly to his consciousness and make him very excited. The delusion, dreams and fear of belladonna have to do with the sudden fear, threat. For example, delusion bulls of fear imaginary things of fear animals of fear impending death of delusion gallows with the fear of vision of and the reaction with react with violence impulse to set things on the fire attempt to escape and run away. There is a need to escape, to run away. There is a feeling that he will be pursued, killed, therefore he runs, escape and rage. There is the difference between belladonna and stramonium is that in belladonna, the specific situation is like that of the who is about to taken to the gallows, while in stramonium is like that of person lost in the jungle. Stramonium looks for on, somebody to cling on, and seeking light and company. Whereas the main action of belladonna is reacting violently to save himself. Example, desire to escape and rage. Physical symptoms are among the main physical symptoms of the belladonna are sudden paroxysmal pain that comes suddenly and goes suddenly, extreme sensitivity to light, noise and jarring, desire for lemonade, lemon juice, pain or throbbing. Rubrics are ailment from fright, beside oneself being, delusion animal of frightful, delusion bulls of, delusion dog sees, delusion murder he will be, delusion pursued by enemy, escape attempt to, exuberance, fear of gallows, of, fire wants to set things on, unconscious interpreted by the striking, deeds of violence, rage leading to fear alternate with the rage. Cant rubrics are involuntary urination during the sleep, difficult to awake from. Fatak, Fatak's rubrics are admonition, aggravation, direction of the symptom increase and decrease suddenly. That is all about the belladonna. Thank you.